In this lesson, we will see together the two different roles of de, la. So let's start. And so it's quite important to remember that de, la, in fact, can have two different roles. The first one, and it will be the partitive. Remember, it will be for the feminine form. The example here, je vais prendre de la soupe. So remember, the partitive concept is when you don't want to specify the quantity. So in that case, as you can see, we translate it with this some concept. So je vais prendre de la soupe. So this is the partitive form, and this is for the feminine because soup is a feminine noun. De la soupe. So this is the first use of, or the first role of de, la. And then the second one is in fact the definite article la that you will combine with the preposition de. And in that case, let's look at the example. Voici l'adresse de la boutique dont je t'ai parlé. Voici l'adresse de la boutique dont je t'ai parlé. In that situation, you can see that preposition is de here. Then you've got your article, feminine article, la, because boutique is feminine. So in this situation, it's clearly the definite article combined with the preposition. And it's not the partitive that we had previously. They look the same, but still they're totally different in that case. So remember that de, la can be a partitive, but it can also be this definite article, la, combined with the preposition de.